The transcending eras and history of Kerala would reverberate the sanctified and canonized face of a blessed time when hear the name Adishankara, the luminous guru of knowledge, with his remarkable reinterpretations of scriptures, especially Upanishads, shed the light of wisdom over generations. The time of his lifespan was the origin of societal change, and his history has been the living sign of spiritual wisdom. With Adishankara's profound influence on the lives of mankind, the distant future could be visioned as bright and clear. Adishankara is the most famous Advaita philosopher of the world who restored Vedic Dharma and Advaita Vedanta to its pristine purity and glory. Abode of the intellectual and spiritual plane, Adishankara Institute of Engineering and Technology shines with its beaming form of ever-pervading knowledge. Kaladi, the birthplace of the great visionary and spiritual soul, Adishankaracharya is now blessed with this temple of knowledge with its state-of-the-art status in the field of science and technology. This school of eminent thoughts and its creative accomplishments gives education a different and individual phase. Through its various educational institutions, the Adishankara Trust, with its scholarly visions and projects, reach the real mass. The vision is to provide good environment for individuals to transform into superior beings, technologically wise, socially committed, spiritually elevated citizens. Imparting quality and professional education is the mantra of Adishankara Trust, says Chief Patron of the Institute, His Holiness Sri Sri Bharati Tirtha Mahaswamigal.
படிப்பை விட்டு மீதி விஷயத்துக்கு தான் கவனம் போயிட்டு இருக்கு படிக்கிறவர்களுக்கு. அப்படி ஆகாதுக்கு எந்த விஷயத்தை இங்கே படிக்க வந்திருக்கோமோ அந்த விஷயத்திலேயே விசேஷமாக கவனம் கொடுத்து அந்த விஷயத்தை நீங்கள் பெரிய ஸ்காலர்ஸ் ஆகி இந்த நாட்டுக்கு உங்களால் விசேஷமான சேவை நடக்கணும் என்று உங்களுக்கு தான் இருக்கும். நான் ஆசீர்வாதம் பண்ணுறேன்.
Adishankara Institute of Engineering and Technology had its humble beginnings in the year 2001 with the benign blessings of His Holiness Sri Sri Bharati Tirtha Mahaswamigal of Dakshinamnaya Sri Sharada Peetham Sringeri. This institute is the first self-financing engineering college to be awarded the ISO 9001-2008 certification. Now Adishankara Institute of Engineering and Technology boasts of state-of-the-art facilities. The function of the institution is in the able hands of Dr. B.S. Krishnan, the managing trustee, who is dedicated to the overall functioning of the society. He is the master visionary who is instrumental in making the institute renowned with all its grandeur and glory. He says, education has a role of commitment and value in every human being's trait of life, which had here always in his sphere of karma too.
This college was inaugurated in the year 2001 and it has been progressing well, of course with the blessings of our Holiness Sringeri Guru and all the staff who are working here. And the students, for our credit, we will say there was practically not even a single incident where anything untoward has happened. Of course, students will shout, all those things will happen. And they have been very careful to go through their lessons and study and obey the teachers. Practically there is nothing has happened so far, touch wood. And I hope that that situation will continue.
The institution is sincerely committed to the total upliftment of society by imparting quality professional education. It aims at modeling totally competent professionals with ingenuity, adaptability, social commitment, and ethical and spiritual values by creating congenial academic ambience that kindles innovative thinking. To fulfill all these pivotal responsibilities, an institution needs an individual with an extraordinary vision. Principal Dr. S.G. Iyer fits this requirement.
Adishankara Institute of Engineering and Technology was established in the year 2001 to provide good quality technical education. The college is run by Adishankara Trust with the patronage of Sri Sri Bharati Tirtha Mahaswamigal of Sringeri Mutt, Karnataka. In each branch about 420 students are there, 3 MTech courses and 1 MBA course. All this in the campus there are about 1900 students. Now within this very small interval of 10 years for a college like ours, we have reached one among the top 5 in the state and the second in the MG University. Now this is one of the few engineering colleges to get ISO 9001-2000 certification. There is an international certification for good quality educational services. In addition to this, when a student enters our college, because of the tie-up between multinationals like Infosys, TCS and Sriram Group of Company, we are providing them training in such a way when they go out of the institution, they will be ready to be absorbed in the industries.
The Adishankara Institute of Engineering and Technology is committed to this, and in its functioning, it reflects the same. Adishankara Institute of Engineering and Technology has multi-level disciplines. It offers B.Tech in 6 streams, M.Tech in 3 streams, and the MBA course has 3 specializations: Applied Electronics and Instrumentation, Electronics and Communication Engineering, Computer Science and Engineering, Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Information Technology, and Mechanical Engineering are the streams for the B.Tech course. There are 9 departments to cater to the needs of students, teachers, and all the stakeholders of the institution. The departments are equipped with well-qualified, experienced, and committed faculty who give incredible support to students' academic as well as extracurricular activities to mold them as responsible professionals. At the initial stage of the engineering course itself, it fosters students with bounteous knowledge in all engineering subjects with full-fledged laboratories and workshops. For the first-year students, laboratories are common. The electrical workshop gives the students an in-house experience of basics of electrical instruments and activities. The basic civil engineering workshop delivers various training sessions on masonry and surveying. The basic mechanical engineering workshop imparts practical sessions on planing, cutting and chiseling through carpentry section, forging principles, materials and operation through smithy section. Preparation of sample mold and molding characteristics and casting methods through foundry. The engineering graphics session offers fundamental knowledge on engineering drawing and impart drawing skills to students of all branches of engineering. Applied Electronics and Instrumentation Department features state-of-the-art facilities like Process Control Lab, Instrumentation Lab, and Measurement Lab. Each of these labs is well equipped with sufficient number of instruments, well enough to accommodate 2 students per group for doing experiments so that students get the best exposure and knowledge. Process Control Lab is a well-equipped laboratory comprising mainly of various process control stations such as pressure, temperature, level and flow control that give the students an insight into the analysis and practical aspects of various process control systems. The instrumentation lab, stylized with basic instrumentation, is used to operate modern test and measurement systems used in various engineering applications. In the measurement lab, students get knowledge about measuring instruments and transducers. The Digital Electronics Lab gives an introduction to digital principles, combination and sequential circuit. This lab is a stepping stone to digital switching in electronic industry. The Integrated Circuits Lab provides an opportunity for the students to study the characteristics of linear ICs like op-amps, timers, etc. for conducting various experiments. The Electronic Circuits Lab, equipped with advanced and state-of-the-art instruments like CRO, dual power supply, signal generator, etching and drilling machine, provides insight into electronic circuit designing for various applications. The Microprocessor and Microcontroller Lab provides opportunity for the students to familiarize latest industry standard microprocessor and microcontroller kits and doing experiments on it. Microwave and Communication Lab facilitates students into advanced experiments using microwave components, amplifiers, oscillators, etc. The Computer Science and Engineering Department has become a vibrant and dynamic place to seek professional education in computer science stream. The department mainly comprises various laboratories like Open Software Lab to promote development of application softwares as part of experiments and project work for the students. The Information Technology Department is facilitated with state-of-the-art lab facilities to add weightage to students' performance in practical subjects. The Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering houses an Electrical and Electronics Lab that has well-equipped electrical machines with all types of electrical machinery such as DC motors, DC generators, AC generators, induction motors, synchronous motors, and transformers. The Electrical Measurement Lab acquaints the students with the conventional instruments used in electrical and magnetic circuits. The Power Electronics Laboratory is an integral part of electrical department and is well fortified to gain knowledge about modern trends in power electronics and its application in analysis and control of power systems. The Mechanical Engineering Department is housed in an impressive 3-story block covering an area of more than 5,000 square meters with full-fledged laboratories for effective teaching-cum-demonstration practices. The equipments are on par with the national institutes. Advanced Machine Tool Lab, Heat Engines Lab, Heat Transfer Lab, Hydraulic Machines Lab, Fluid Mechanics Lab, Mechanical Engineering Lab, and Measurements Lab are the foremost laboratories of the department. The department is fully equipped with full-grown CAD lab facilities where more than 60 students can design and test CAD experiments at a time. The Advanced Machine Tool Lab brings a wide idea about the machining process to students. In this lab, students will be trained in lathes, milling, shaping, slotting, drilling and grinding machines. In the Heat Engine Lab, students graft their experience in performance and efficiency analysis of 4-cylinder petrol engine, 4-cylinder and 6-cylinder diesel engine, twin-cylinder engine and computerized engine under various working conditions. In the Hydraulic Machine Lab, students examine performances of different turbines and pumps. The Fluid Mechanics Lab imparts training on various flow measuring equipments to students. Moreover, students have developed many innovative and challenging projects under the guidance of the faculties in the department. Besides providing quality technical education at the undergraduate level, Adishankara Institute of Engineering and Technology offers excellent, world-class technical higher education with M.Tech courses under the PG department. The postgraduate block was inaugurated by the then President of India, His Excellency Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, in the year 2010. M.Tech degree courses are in Computer Science and Engineering, VLSI and Embedded Systems, and Power Electronics and Power Systems with an intake of 24 students per stream. A well-furnished research center named Shankara Center for Research in Information Science, that is SREIS, also helps in raising the level of the excellence in various fields under PG section. PG section periodically conducts seminars, symposiums, workshops and conferences to impart practical knowledge in various technologies of studies and researches. Institution offers MBA 4-semester course approved by AICTE New Delhi and affiliated to Mahatma Gandhi University with specializations in marketing management, HR management and financial management. The course is designed in such a way that the student gets sparks of excellence and confidence to face the challenges in the management field. More emphasis is to learning than to teaching. There will be an orientation program for the freshers for a fortnight in which they will be rigorously exposed to debate and presentation skills. 90% of the eligible students are getting placed through campus placements. The department offers many industry elective subjects like business intelligence in association with Infosys to cater the need of the industries. MBA department also offers diploma course in logistics and supply chain management. Every student is given a laptop on the Wi-Fi campus with broadband internet facilities. The library has many unique features. Educational institution-wise, this is one of the most biggest fully air-conditioned libraries. It has more than 40,000 titles from varied disciplines. The reading room is attached to the library and even the latest periodicals reach here so as to make the students well-informed and well-read. The library has flexible working hours and whoever steps in can access the latest information. The digital library gives necessary backup knowledge. Here, students can access soft copy of books, national and international journals, magazines, conference papers on both engineering and management streams. An efficient system of administration is the backbone of any establishment. Adishankara Institute of Engineering and Technology too holds such remarkable administrative facility which has evolved over the years